from there all the way over to there, and then all the way back. Stay there. Try and remember that as well, and keep contact like you would do normally with me. You're doing it now. You're staying still. You're keeping contact. Excellent. Cut that out next time. You repeated the words on the slide. Notes in front of you. You handled the interrogation very well. Very well, actually.
Is that a joke?
Not the interrogation, but it was the way you handled it. You remained calm. You tried your best to cope with Mariana, which I think could be quite scary when she wants to be. And you came back with reasonable answers. They weren't good enough to keep Mariana off your back, though. So you have to remember this. If someone gives you a probing question, be quite strong and affirmative with your response. Maintain the confidence, and don't be riled. The most important thing is you actually interrupted Mariana twice. You started to answer the question before she had finished. And unfortunately with judges, when they don't get enough time to say what they want to say, they're going to interrupt you, and suddenly you're into a sparring match with the judge. Okay.